Hello and welcome to GS Question Bank. This is part 10 of Ancient Indian History. Topic 10 name is Ancient Republics of India. Question 1. What was the name given to the Republican states in ancient India which had a federal character? A. Kingdoms, B. Nigams, C. Janpads, D. Sangha. Answer is C. Janpads. Question 2. Which of the following statements are correct about the Shakya clan? A. It was situated near the border of Nepal. B. Mahatma Buddha's mother belonged to this clan. C. It had a unitary constitution. D. The capital of Shakya was Kapilvastu. Answer is both A and D. It was situated near the border of Nepal and the capital of Shakya was Kapilvastu. Question 3. The Republican state of Shakya was occupied by which clan in the 6th century BC? A. The state of Maurya, B. The state of Vajji, C. The state of Koshal, D. The state of Gandhar. Answer is C. The state of Koshal. Question 4. Which of the following was the largest and most powerful republican state in ancient India? A. The Mallas of Pava, B. The Lichavis of Vaishali, C. The Shakyas of Kapilvastu, D. The Mallas of Kushinara. Answer is B. The Lichavis of Vaishali. Question 5. Which ruler was successful in annexing the Lichavis of Vaishali? A. Ashoka, B. Ajatashatru, C. Kala Shoka, D. Chandragupta Maurya. Answer is B. Ajatashatru, who was the successor of Bimbisar. Question 6. Where was the capital of the state of Mallas, which was a republican state of Kshatriyas, situated? A. Ramgram, B. Pava, C. Suput, D. Mithila. Answer is B. Pava. Question 7. Where was the capital of the state of Kolia situated? A. Sunsumagri, B. Kushinara, C. Ramgram, D. Vaishali. Answer is C. Ramgram. Question 8. Where was the capital of the state of Bhagya situated? A. Sunsumagiri, near Mirzapur district, Uttar Pradesh. B. Pava, C. Piphalivan, D. Kapilvastu. Answer is A. Sunsamagiri, near Mirzapur district in Uttar Pradesh. Question 9. Where was the capital of the state of Maurya situated? A. Piphalivan, between Lumbini of Nepal and Kasia in Gorakhpur district. B. Mithila, C. Suput, D. Ramgram. Answer is A. Piphalivan, or it means grove of pepper trees. This place was located between Lumbini of Nepal and Kasia in Gorakhpur district. Question 10. The republics of ancient India were destroyed by which dynasty? A. Mauryan Empire, B. Gupta Empire, C. The Pallavas, D. Indo-Greeks. Answer is B. Gupta Empire. All the republican states were destroyed by the imperial Guptas. They pursued the policy of expansion, hence attacked neighboring states to annex them. A few of them were destroyed by Chandragupta I, most of them by Samudragupta, and the rest of them by Chandragupta II. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.